Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a quick and easy guide on how to repost a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC after the latest update. The new interface might look slightly different, but the process is still super simple once you know where everything is. So, let's dive right in. First, open the X app on your desktop or launch it through your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your home feed and interact with posts. Once you're in, you'll see your timeline with all the latest posts from the people and pages you follow. Next, scroll through your feed or use the search bar at the top to find the specific post you want to share. It could be a funny meme, a breaking news update, or an inspiring quote, anything you want your followers to see. Now, look below the post. You'll notice several icons. One for replying, one for liking, one for sharing, and one for reposting. The repost icon looks like two arrows forming a square loop. It's the same symbol we've always recognized for retweeting, just with a modern touch from X's latest update. Click on that repost icon. A small menu will pop up with two options. The first option says repost, and the second one says quote. If you simply want to share the post as is, go ahead and click repost. Once you do, the post will instantly appear on your profile and in your followers' timelines, letting them see exactly what you've shared. It's a fast and effortless way to spread content without having to type anything or add your own caption. That's it, you've just reposted on X using your PC. The new update makes it smoother and more intuitive, so you can interact and share more efficiently than ever. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to explore the channel for more quick and easy tutorials about the latest social media updates. Thanks for watching.